true. Girl, you mean the world to me, and I hope you understand. I would give you anything, and I'll do the best I can to make you see what I see. One word is all I need to say exactly how I feel. One word, a single word that's from the heart and keeps it real. One word, and baby, you know this one fits you to a T. One word, all I can say is amazing. One word, always there when I was going through all kinds of changes. You kept me lifted, said I'm gifted, and you know I'm gonna make it.
Right here. I was afraid to fall for someone new. You came along and caught me in the moment. You had me at hello, and now I finally know that I can fall for someone else, and I can finally be myself again. Even though she said forever,